Starlight, a Mustang's tail. Good. Wake up. Wakey, wakey. Wake up. Come on, get a move on it. Wake up. Wake up, you've been asleep for ages. Seriously, wake up. Wake up, get a life. Wake up. Wakey, wakey. Come on, wake up. What's going on? Oh, I don't know how to tell you this, but you just jumped off a cliff. Did I do that? Did I do that, Kipper? You did. And you don't call me Kipper, you call me Mom. Oh yeah. What? How hard did you hit your head? I don't know. Oh, I don't even know who I am. Please don't tell me that. Come on, wakey, wakey. Get your head back. Grass. Did someone go grass? Yay, I'm normal again. I understand things now. Right. So we have built a new herd. But we only have one male, which makes me the leader. And that means I choose my woman. Oh yeah, I choose my mare. Oh yeah. And guess who I'm choosing? Not me, not me. It's not gonna be me, is it? I'm the ugliest one out of you three. It'll be Allison. It'll be Kipper. Have more common sense. I'm his mom. Ow. Sorry. I'll fall over too then. I'm choosing Rosetta. What? My dream man loves me? Awesome.